Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will solve another Java problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to give the user input and user need to store, like user need to give and user inputs and store them in the array and user need to check when index is divisible by 3, then user need to print the print the print that kind of index value, indexes value. So this is the problem statement. This is the problem statement, which means, for example, I have given 7. I have given 7 and I have given 7 inputs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So in this, we have to print indexes. So as we know, right, indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? So as we know, 0 will be divisible by 3, right? So 1 will be printed, and after that 1, 2, 3. So 3 will be also divisible by 3, and 4 will be printed, and 4, 5, 6. 6 also divisible by 3. Then 7 also will be printed. 7 also will be printed. So which means any number, any index, we are not checking with the numbers. Here we are checking with the indexes. So any index which divisible by 3, then you have to return the value. So this is what you have to do. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. Import java.util.star. Rest is equal to new scanner system.in, and here I will give user input n is equal to sc.nextInt, and I will declare an array arr is equal to new, and it stores the size of the array, and I'm giving the size of n value, so we can store up to n values. And after that I will perform for loop I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So here I will store arr of I is equal to say dot next int, say dot next int. So after that I have to print I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So I'm going on the loop, and here I have to check if any index divisible by 3, it is equal to 0, then you have to print that index value, right? Index value. So that's why you have to write arr of I. So I hope you understand. So what I'm doing, I'm going to the for loop. I'm traversing each and every number when I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n, and I'm checking each index. When each index is divisible by 3, So then I have to print that respective value, which is stored on that index. I hope you understand. Let us run this program. So there is no errors. Let's give 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what should be the output? 1, 4, and 7. 1, 4, and 7. See, 1, 4, and 7. I hope you understand why we got. So here is the explanation. Here is the explanation. So 0th index 1 and 3 will be divided by 3. So this is the index. We have to divide by 3. And 6 also 3 to the 6. It is also divided by. So that's where respecting value 7, 4, and 1 is getting the output. So easy, friends. I hope you understand. And if you have if you find any difficulties in this video, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And that's it, friends. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube. Or otherwise, you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.